Welcome back, everyone. It's been a while since I uploaded anything. The AC/heater broke right before winter time, and that should be getting fixed. Next week. We don't have too much left to do on the white car. We're gonna be getting some wiring done. We need to send the valve covers off again to the powder coater. A different one this time, because he had powder coated the insides of the valve covers, and it's pretty difficult to get that out. But if we let that run with the powder coat in it, it eventually is going to potentially damage the engine. The brakes and clutch are bled. I need to make a bracket for the accelerator pedal, and I want to pull the oil pan off and double check everything is still good, since the engine's just been sitting for so long, and then we can go ahead and fire it up.
Alright everyone, here we are down to the wire, literally. This video is picking up a little bit after I've started wiring the car. I was taking apart the factory harness and starting to get stressed out because the factory harnesses are just a mess of tangle, and so I started labeling each connector individually where they went on the factory car. I was gonna just give up and order a bunch of wiring because I plan on making a custom harness anyway, but after debating, I decided to go ahead and start on as much stock stuff as possible, like the injectors, the mass airflow sensor, the factory coils, just so that I know that it starts and runs correctly, and then I can start adding things to the harness before I actually go ahead and change something major like that. So the only thing aftermarket really, as far as the wiring goes, that I'm going to be starting on is the throttle body and the accelerator pedal. I've already started laying the wiring out over the car and routing it where it goes. It's going to also help me out later on when I go to make the custom wiring harness to know the lengths and stuff, because I just kind of wrapped up the excess wire so I know what's excess and how long to make the wiring for the custom harness. So the only thing we have left really is wiring the aftermarket throttle body and the pedal. Alright, here's what we have so far. Just a little template. I still need to make some adjustments to this, but this is about where it will fit in the car versus the stock holes for the stock accelerator pedal.